Good morning, Lincoln Mustangs. Miss Monist here with your morning announcements for Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. As always, I hope to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. And a reminder that this month's AR challenge will end on Friday, May 23rd. The free dress day for that will be Tuesday, May 27th. And also on Tuesday, May 27th, if you bring in uniform shirts, the collared shirts, then you can come out of uniform. For each shirt that you bring, that will equal a free dress day. So, for example, if you bring in one shirt, then you can come to school the next day out of uniform. If you bring in two shirts, then you can come out of school for 2 days out of uniform, and so on and so forth. So the hope, you guys, is that you will bring back any of the school shirts that you've used this year, because next year you'll need new shirts, and you are willing to donate them to the school. So if you have 6 shirts, bring them all in. If you have pants, uniform pants, like the khaki pants that you no longer fit in or don't think you'll fit in by the summer, you can bring those in too. But for each shirt that you bring in, you get a free dress day. So math question, how many shirts do you need to bring in to have free dress day for the remainder of the year? Also, our next PBIS celebration is just around the corner. Field day will be next week. Some students will have field day on the 28th, and some students will have field day on the 29th. So either a week from today, next Wednesday, or a week from tomorrow, next Thursday. We have lots of fun events planned for field day. We have tug of war, we have sack races, we have the 50-yard dash, we have the parachute game, we have cornhole, we've got some basketball things, bounce houses for the little kids, and we'll be selling some concessions like popcorn and slushies for $1 each. But remember, in order to go to this event, you had to have 0 referrals for the month of May. So hopefully you do not have any referrals and you do not get any between now and then. A reminder for teachers on morning duty that students cannot leave the gym or the cafeteria. So 4th and 5th graders that go to the cafeteria cannot leave during arrival. Students need to stay in their designated spot, either the cafeteria or the gym. And if there's some sort of emergency or something, then they need to have an adult escort them. So like if there's a bathroom emergency or something of that nature, a nurse emergency, then we just need somebody to like escort them, because we don't want anybody leaving anywhere without permission and us not knowing where they are. It is a safety concern. Hopefully the track meet from yesterday that was canceled due to the bad weather will get rescheduled. I'll keep you updated if I hear any announcements or updates on that. The yearbook is at the printers now, and as soon as it gets printed, the yearbook club will start selling yearbooks for $5 each. 8th graders will get the first chance to buy them, and then all grade levels after them. All other grade levels, I should say. On the lunch menu today, we have grilled cheese sandwich or a yogurt fun meal, seasoned green beans, celery sticks, fresh grapes, and ice cold milk. A reminder, friends, that only single-served sized bags of chips and snacks are allowed in the lunchroom. This is true even if you're bringing a lunch from home. Additionally, students are not allowed to share food. Today we have 2 Mustangs with a birthday. We have Honeywell Diaz Tohis in kindergarten and Yaret Guerrero in 7th grade. And continuing on with our summer birthdays, on July 26th, we have Antonio Fallon in 6th grade. On July 27th, we have Francisco Martinez Guzman in 7th grade. On July 28th, we have Jarius Bruce in 3rd grade. On July 29th, we have Juan Barriga Gomez in 8th grade, Diana Mendez in 8th grade, Joseph Velasquez Enamorado in 6th grade, and Noel Williams Miles in kindergarten. And believe it or not, folks, that wraps up all the summer birthdays. I finished ahead of schedule because the first day of school for the next school year is July 30th. So that is, I have completed all of the summer birthdays. All of my friends may come to my office and retrieve their birthday prize. But remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. And our 7 Mindsets quote of the day today is by L.M. Montgomery. And it is, I don't know what lies around the bend, but I'm going to believe that the best does. So always believe that the best is what's going to happen next. This has been Miss Monis with your morning announcements, hoping you have a wonderful Wednesday.